I was born and brought up in Delhi only. And if I talk about my qualification, so I recently completed a post-graduation program in financial analysis, where I learned a lot of new skills like financial modeling, valuation, and not just domain part. I had learned about technicals also like SQL, Power BI, and that. So, and if I talk about my graduation, so I recently completed my graduation last year only in BCom honors from University of Delhi, Deen College. Okay, so one day I was scrolling Instagram and I just saw their advertisement. I have been trading in stock market for more than 1 year. I always wanted to learn about the financials of the company, and I just compared their brochure with the thing I always wanted to learn. So yes, then I found this course quite intriguing, so that's why I chose it. So as I see myself when I just joined this course, now I can feel a way more confident than before. Like initially I was not able to speak in a lot of people, and I thought I was not able to present myself, but now I have gained a lot of confidence. This course not only helped me just build my domain knowledge, it also helped me to improve my personality, and I can see my growth around. To be honest, I had very great experience in Imarticus Learning. As I have mentioned that I was a trader, and now I feel I'm very, I have transformed it to an investor, because they had taught me a lot in the valuation process and model. I have created 2 models like 𝐏𝐶𝐬𝐭𝐠𝐫𝐚 as well as 𝐏𝐵 model, which helped me to gain more about company in depth. So yes, I had very great experience in the Imarticus Learning. Certainly, this course helped me improve my personality, and as I mentioned that I can see a lot more change in myself. So yes, I will definitely going to recommend this course to the person who wants to learn the stock market in depth. So yes, he or she should pursue this course.